Hi, I'm going to show you a little asset I've been working on to theme a 2D game, potentially more stuff in the future. I'll put a link in the description of the video to the forum post where I'm looking for feedback. So this is a little game that my young kids and myself have worked on. As you can see, very cute hand-drawn stuff from them. And this part is the more interesting part for game developers, well, maybe, where we can come and reskin some of the characters. Hi! So let's make me into a character in the game. This works with Android device and should also work with the iOS phone as well, but I haven't checked yet iOS devices. This is obviously running on a desktop PC, so I'll put a video for the, or maybe I'll append a video if I've got magic video powers, a video of it running on a device in a little bit. So let's see if we can get me centered and making a very serious game developer straight. And there we go, perfect picture for fueling social anxiety and concern over my appearance. Yeah, there we go, and we'll save that for posterity. See how it looks on a sprite. Good. And how would we do another one? Me facing sideways. Yeah. Go. Get the button. I'm going to press the button. Oh, yeah. Appropriately scared. I am indeed. And then a bit wider there. Oh, yeah. I'll just about fit in there. Save that. How does it look on sprite? Yep. Terrible. Perfect. And should we rename the theme? How about we just call it terrible? Perfect. There we got theme is terrible. And now we start the game. And look, it looks terrible. Well, depending on what you want. It works perfectly. Now, what if you also wanted to add maybe the walls as extra things? Shush you. Let's stop the game. Let's see how easy or hard it is to add something else to be skinned. So let's go and have a quick look. Here's the level. I don't really want to save that. And so these wall things they're all prefabs wall using that sprite, which is this thing. Yep, I've got a bit of doodled wall here. So we have a scriptable object theme settings. I'll probably add a better custom editor for all of this stuff later, but it actually fully works already. So we go find our wall, there it is, we put our wall down in here, and we delete the file name, and it auto-populates from the name of this, and we delete the ID, and that auto-populates from the one below. So now we've got that set, we'll just save the project to persist the scriptable object, go back to our main menu. In fact, we could just start it from here. And there we go. So it all looks the same. Now if we hop back to here, we come into the theme, and now there's our wall. So start the camera. Let's not use me for a change, shall we? There we go. And how about a bit of a coaster? There we go. A bit of some lovely pebbles, stereotypical pebbles for use on the wall. I'll just use that as is. There we go, some nice pebbles, and start the game, and voila! Nicely textured, it's perfect. You know, why do we employ artists when you can do this level of quality art, texture, perfect tiling textures? It's great, isn't it? So, that's how easy it is to add something. What else should we perhaps show? We can create new themes, we can rename themes, we saw this already, theme 42, we can, what else? Oh, we could quickly show that we can remove these because they are terrible, untheme that, there we go, back to how it was before, and we go and play the game, done. So, I think that's pretty much everything. I'll put a link, like I said, in the description below to a forum post where I'm seeking feedback. Any thoughts? Hopefully I'm going to offer this as an asset on the Unity Asset Store. And thank you very much for your time.